Your vehicle has a traditional glove box compartment. To open it, pull this handle up and lower the lid. When you want to lock or unlock the glove box, use your mechanical key. For the safety of your glove box contents, the intelligent key cannot be used to unlock the glove box. Your console storage box is located between the front seats. Press this button to open the console box. Slide the lid forward or backward to adjust the position of the console box. There are cup holders and bottle holders located conveniently in the center console and the inside of each door. There is a rear parcel box behind the passenger seat. Pull the upper part of the lid to open. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.